Here's the truth about Mecha Chameleon being free on PC. Mecha Chameleon is not a free game. It is a paid title officially available on Steam for around $3.99. Be very careful of any videos, comments, or websites claiming a free download, a cracked version, or the full game free, since these are not official sources and are often used specifically to distribute unsafe files. Many of these downloads contain malware, spyware, or other harmful programs capable of damaging your PC, stealing your passwords, or compromising your personal data entirely. There is no legitimate free download available anywhere outside official platforms. If you want to play Mecha Chameleon safely, the only trusted source is Steam directly. Always avoid third-party download links, especially ones shared in video comments or descriptions. Even if they look popular or convincing, they can still put your system at serious risk. Stick to official stores to keep your system and personal data protected. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on Step by Click.